Have you ever wondered what the world will look like in a million years? It's a question that stirs the imagination, doesn't it? As humans, we've always been fascinated by the unknown, the enigma of what lies ahead. The future has always been a canvas where we paint our hopes, fears, dreams, and predictions. We're curious creatures by nature, always seeking answers, always wanting to know more. And when it comes to the future, we're no different. We use our current understanding of the world, our knowledge of trends and patterns, to make educated guesses about what's to come. But a million years? That's a stretch even for the most imaginative among us. It's a realm far beyond our everyday experiences, far beyond our lifetimes, and yet it's a journey we're about to embark on. So let's take a journey into the future 1 million years from now. Imagine the first 10,000 years into the future. Earth's geography is a restless, ever-shifting entity. Over the next 10,000 years, the continents as we know them might become unrecognizable. Imagine massive land masses drifting, colliding, and reforming. Picture vast mountain ranges rising from these collisions and new islands being born from the sea. Climate change, a pressing concern of our time, will continue to impact our world in ways we can only speculate. The polar ice caps may vanish entirely, leading to a significant rise in sea levels worldwide. This could result in the submersion of coastal cities and even entire countries. On the other hand, advancements in technology might provide solutions that we cannot yet fathom. Perhaps we'll develop efficient ways to reverse these effects, restoring balance to our planet. Technological advancements will continue at an exponential pace. We may see the rise of AI that surpasses human intelligence, leading to a shift in how societies function. This could bring about a new era of prosperity, or it could present challenges that test the very fabric of our civilization. The evolution of humanity and other species is another intriguing prospect. Will we adapt to our changing world, or will we engineer ourselves to better cope with new environments? It's fascinating to consider what new species might evolve and how existing ones might change. Perhaps we'll see a world where genetically modified organisms are the norm, or where humans have branched into different species adapted to various environments. When we look at the grand scope of time, 10,000 years is but a blink. Yet in that minuscule blink, the world as we know it could change in ways we can barely conceive. We might see the birth of new species, the rise of unimaginable technologies, and the transformation of our planet's geography and climate. In these first 10,000 years, the world as we know it has changed, but this is just the beginning. Fast forward to 100,000 years into the future. Imagine our planet, not as we know it now, but as a realm shaped by the relentless forces of nature. The Earth's crust is in a constant state of flux, with tectonic plates shifting and colliding, causing majestic mountain ranges to rise and deep ocean trenches to form. Over the course of 100,000 years, these movements could drastically reshape the world's geography. Within this period, the Earth might also witness colossal volcanic eruptions. Imagine supervolcanoes dwarfing anything we've seen in human history, spewing ash into the atmosphere and triggering a volcanic winter. This could plunge the planet into a period of profound cold, potentially even sparking a new ice age. But what of the earthquakes? It's likely that seismic activities will persist, their destructive power reshaping landscapes and shifting continents. These natural phenomena, while devastating, are simply part of the Earth's never-ending cycle of creation and destruction. Simultaneously, our species might reach new heights, venturing far beyond the confines of our home planet. The potential for human interstellar travel seems more plausible than ever. We could become a multiplanetary species, with colonies established on Mars or perhaps even farther out in the cosmos. Imagine the possibilities. Humanity spread across the stars, learning and evolving. We could encounter other forms of life, make monumental scientific discoveries, and perhaps even answer some of the universe's most profound mysteries. Yet, even as we look towards the stars, we must not forget our roots. Earth, our home, despite its tumultuous nature, remains the cradle of humanity. It is here that we evolved, developed culture and technology, and took our first steps into the cosmos. 100,000 years from now, Earth and humanity might look vastly different, yet the journey continues. Whether we are on this planet, another, or scattered across the stars, the story of humanity is one of resilience, exploration, and unending curiosity. Now let's leap to 500,000 years into the future. Imagine a world where the species we've come to know, the elephants, the whales, even the humble house cat, have vanished into the annals of history. Yes, it's a sobering thought, but extinction is a natural part of life's ebb and flow. Yet as some doors close, others open. Picture new species evolved from the creatures of today, thriving in a world reshaped by time and change. But what of us, of humanity? Well, 500,000 years is a long time, even in the grand scale of human history. Our technology, our societies, our cultures could all be transformed beyond recognition. We might have colonized other planets or perhaps even galaxies. Maybe we've transcended our physical forms entirely, existing as beings of pure consciousness. Or in a more sobering reflection, perhaps we've faded into the background, a once dominant species, now relegated to the footnotes of the universe's history. What about the possibility of first contact, of finally answering the question, are we alone in the universe? With the sheer scale of the cosmos, it seems improbable that we're the only life out there. Perhaps in 500,000 years, we've finally met our cosmic neighbors. Or perhaps we've discovered we're more alone than we ever imagined. And what of Earth, our birthplace, our home? Its continents will have shifted, its climate changed, its face altered by the relentless march of geological time. The cities and monuments we've built may be long gone, swallowed by the sea, or buried beneath layers of rock and soil. 500,000 years from now, the world might be unrecognizable, but the story of the Earth and its inhabitants is far from over. Our story, the human story, is but a chapter in the grand, unending narrative of existence. And who knows what twists and turns that story might take in the next 500,000 years. Finally, we arrive at 1,000,000 years into the future. The world as we know it has been dramatically reshaped, not just by the passage of time, but by the profound and unpredictable forces of the cosmos. First, let's consider major astronomical events. Our planet is in a cosmic dance with the universe, and with that dance comes the potential for danger. Asteroids, for instance, have had a significant impact on Earth's history. The dinosaurs could certainly attest to that if they were still around. A substantial asteroid impact could drastically alter the Earth's environment, creating a new epoch of evolution, or perhaps even ending life as we know it. Then there's the potential for a supernova, the explosive death of a star in our cosmic neighborhood. A nearby supernova could bathe the Earth in radiation, leading to mass extinctions and triggering rapid evolutionary changes. Now let's turn our attention to life on Earth. Evolution, that tireless artist, will continue to paint its masterpiece. New species will rise, shaped by environmental pressures and genetic chance. Perhaps in the depths of the ocean or the heart of the rainforest, life forms that we would find completely alien are waiting to emerge. Finally, what of humanity? Our species might adapt, evolve, and survive. Or we might join the dinosaurs in the annals of extinction. Perhaps we will have taken to the stars, establishing new homes on distant planets. Or maybe, just maybe, we will have transcended our physical forms entirely, existing as beings of pure energy or consciousness. 1,000,000 years from now, the world might be a place of wonder and mystery, a testament to the endless possibilities of time. So we've traveled 1,000,000 years into the future. We've journeyed through the next 10,000, 100,000, and 500,000 years. We've speculated about the potential aftermath of World War III, and we've glimpsed into a world 1,000,000 years hence. In this voyage, we've learned that the future is a tapestry of infinite possibilities, woven by the threads of decisions we make in the present. We've seen how our actions today can echo through the millennia, shaping the world of tomorrow in ways we can't even begin to fathom. However, no matter how far we sail into the sea of time, the future remains shrouded in mystery. It's a realm of infinite potential, where the only certainty is uncertainty. But isn't that what makes our journey so exciting? 1,000,000 years is a long time, and the possibilities are endless. But no matter how the world changes, The quest for knowledge and understanding continues.